Hi, in this quick video I want to talk about how to identify a new high. Now, to some it might be very obvious and very simple thing to do, but I found out that some people get it wrong. Like this morning when I asked somebody a question as to which did they see the new signal, or did they take the new signal today at this morning? I'm pointing at this signal over here, and they answered that they did not see a new higher high. So I want to talk about how you can actually identify if there is a new high in your trend, if the trading range has been broken or not. So as we know that in a trading range there are a sequence of equal highs like we have over here, and in a trading in an uptrend we have a sequence of higher highs like these, and then we see a sequence of higher lows like these as well. That creates that uptrend. But then comes a time when the strength of the trend becomes it loses the strength of the trend, and then it turns into a channel like this, and eventually the channel is broken. So as we can see over here, this trend was in a breakout phase up here, and then it turned to a channel, and then price started doing its thing and turned into a trading range. Now, how do we know that it become a trading range? Is because when we identify these swing highs and swing lows like we have over here, let me delete this line. So this was our swing low and high and high and high, and then this became our swing low. And then when price broke over here and broke this swing low, then we cannot now call this as an uptrend. And if we cannot call this an uptrend and this is our new low, then where is our previous high? It will be this one. And then when price starts to go and create equal highs with it, like over here, let me change my line so we can do it a little bit better. Over here, so we have an equal high here, an equal high there, and we have a low here, and this is also an equal low, although it's gone a little bit down, but we'll consider it as a low as well. And if we extend it to the right, we can see now that just like over here when we had a trading range and there was a breakout, here we also had a trading range. And the fact that you have now established that this is a trading range, when price breaks out of it, that would be your new high. So in this simple way, you can identify that this really was your new high, and then these were your breakout or retest seed signals. So if you took this one at this candle over here, you have made at least 4 R's. So if you risk $100 here, you've made 400 on it. So that's the way it is, and that's how you can identify swing highs and swing low. One more time. So trading range, this is the market cycle. It always happens like this. You have a trading range, then it breaks out of it, then it turns to a channel, then it turns to a trading range, then it breaks out, and it keeps going on and on and on. And sometimes it will do things like this. Breakout, turns to your trading range, goes up, pulls back, goes up, starts creating a trading range, and then it breaks out, pulls back to that level, breaks further down, then started going sideways, and then breaks again, and then started going sideways. And that is the market cycle. It just keeps going on and on and on. I thought I'll make this quick video because this was very obvious to me that this was a new high, but the trader said, even though the trader is an experienced trader, they have been relying on indicators quite a lot. They have not paid attention to price too much. So trading range, breakout, channel, trading range again. That's the cycle, and you have to know it. So here we have a trading range, turns into a nice channel trend, then it turns into a wedge over here, and then a trading range, and then when it breaks out, this is your new high. So there you go.